In today's tutorial, we'll walk through the steps to upload public service or meeting videos, manage settings, create and edit playlists, and embed videos directly on your borough or authority website. This process is ideal for uploading archived meetings, community updates, or any other informal content you need to make accessible to the public. First, log into the correct YouTube account associated with your borough or authority. In the top right corner, click the Create button, then select Upload Video. Click Select Files to open your computer's file explorer, and choose the video you'd like to upload. Then click Open to begin the upload. Now let's fill in the video details. Enter a clear and descriptive title, such as Town Council Meeting followed by the date. In the description box, include any relevant information, like the meeting agenda, timestamps, or the name of the participants. If you have a custom thumbnail, such as your borough seal or a branded title card, click Upload Thumbnail and select your image. If not, YouTube will automatically generate one from the video. Playlists help organize your content by category. For example, monthly meetings, public notices, or community events. To add your video to a playlist, either select an existing playlist or click New Playlist. Enter a name and optional description for the playlist, and then choose the visibility. Public, anyone can view and find the playlist. Unlisted, only those with the link can access it. Or private, where only your team's YouTube account can view it. You can also adjust how videos appear in the playlist by setting the default video order. Once finished, click Create. Now scroll down to More Options. Here, make sure Allow Embedding is checked. This ensures your video can be displayed directly on your borough's website, without requiring viewers to visit YouTube. Embedding is especially important for archived meetings and public updates that need to be accessible on your official site. But if you don't need embedding, you can leave this unchecked. The next section is Video Elements, which allows you to add links to other videos or subscribe buttons. Since this tutorial is focused on public information rather than engagement, you can safely skip this section. YouTube automatically scans your video for copyrighted material. If nothing's detected, you're good to go. If copyrighted content is found, such as background music or video clips, you can remove or replace it using YouTube's built-in editor, or obtain permission to use it. Finally, choose the visibility of your video. Public's best for transparency and public communication. Unlisted's good for internal sharing or limited access. Private's used for drafts or restricted content. Once you made your selection, click Save to publish your video. Keep in mind, if the file is large, uploading and processing may take a few minutes. If you ever need to remove a video from a playlist, go to the Playlists tab in YouTube Studio. Find the correct playlist, click the three dots next to the video, and select Remove from this playlist. This won't delete the video, it simply removes it from that specific playlist. Now let's embed your video on your borough's website. For this example, we'll use WordPress, but the process is similar across most web platforms. Start by editing the page or post where you'd like the video to appear in. Copy the link to your YouTube video and paste it directly into the text block or embed field. If embedding's enabled, the video should automatically appear in line with your page, ready for public viewing. Today you learned how to upload and configure public service videos, add titles, descriptions, and thumbnails, organize content using playlists, enable video embedding, and manage video visibility and copyright settings.